mandatory vacation leave, right? You mean?
Yeah,
Yeah, is that to detect fraud? Yeah, usually when people leave, so if he doing fraud, and we can detect it. So yeah, in the bank we have a mandatory leave.
Okay, good,
Yeah.
good. Yes, sir. Good one. Okay, so this is the couple of things like fraud detection. I'm going to using it for the especially in the banking or insurance sector where is the transaction very high. Okay, apart from the same, apart from the other things, if I'm talking about here like access control, so like one thing is important is RBAC,
RBAC, role based
RBAC.
access control.
Yes, sir. Rollback access controls. So whatever the role of the particular person, you're going to providing the access control to the same. Okay, one thing is important. Okay, the second thing, sir, we have some RB controls you're providing it, and the first thing that comes to in my mind is IAM. What do you mean by IAM? Identity access management.
Access management. Yeah.
Okay, and in the access management example, what are the attacks? Okay, I'm talking about the banking point of view because you are going to creating a strategies regarding the same, sir. Information security we are talking right now. So how do you protecting the data? But before you protecting the data, you need to know what are the attacks to the data, right? So somebody is compromised the ID, user ID. So suppose example somebody gonna compromise the password of the banking application. What are the next steps you can do?
Sorry, what's the question?
I want to know that what are the attacks? What are the attacks?
What are the attacks?
Yeah, what are the IAM attacks like? How the attacks? What are different kind of attacks have doing it actually? Is happening it?
Yeah, by phishing to get the user
Yeah,
ID and
yeah.
password.
User ID password attack. Like
Mm.
somebody is attacking the password of the customer. Okay, he know the customer ID password. What kind of security deployment you doing it?
By MFA,
Yeah.
multi-factor authentication.
Yes, sir. Yes, you're right. You're right. That's what I'm asking. Okay. So in MFA example, I'm talking about to you something you know. What does it mean? Something you know.
Yes.
Something you know. What does it mean?
What do you mean? Something you know? Something I know.
Something you know. It means you know your password. Okay. You know your
Mm.
PIN. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a part of the MFA. Okay, so this
Yeah.
part. Okay, like second example, like something you have. What do you have? Something you have. It means you can simply say, "Sir, I have my mobile phone. I have my UB card." Okay, like physical. Because here it means the OTP will be coming to your mobile. Okay, that's the thing. Something you have. Something you are. What does it mean? Something you are.
My role.
Something you are. It means, sir, I have my retina scanning, palm scanning. Okay, without you cannot do. No one cannot doing it. Okay, the fourth step is somewhere you are. What does it mean? Somewhere you are in the MFA.
Accessing from where?
Yes, accessing from where? Okay, like somebody is accessing the information from the sanctioned countries or the blocked countries or blocked accessing things. So you just going to be check and then going to blocking it, the traffic. Like that is the what you can doing it actually. Okay, good one. And if you to count some asset management, so let me know, Daniel, what do you mean by the tangible assets and intangible assets? What do you know? Tangible, intangible assets. Okay, and if you know it, then no problem. Let me know what are the you can say here like what do you mean by the copyrights, trade secrets, patents, trademark? Okay. And what it mean is all about the information are there actually. Okay. Information are there. Licenses. Okay. Your Windows license, your system license, your device licenses, all are the
Yeah.
intellectual property, right? And then the second thing is like physical property, like your laptop, your hard disk, your data card, where is the data is moving here actually, right? So that's all are the part of the asset management. Okay, the second thing if I'm talking about here is physical and environmental security. Like how do you secure your company, your banking, physical access or physical security? How do you doing it? Perimeter security, physical security. How to, how to do that? How do you securing your company from the physical attacks? Like I
Yeah.
would like terrorist attacks, or you can say like tsunami attacks, or you can say I would say earthquakes, or you can say like somebody is compromise your security of the server room kind of things.
Yeah, a
So
lot of
what?
things by physical security, like in the secure building with the secure access, with a lot of multiples entrance, multiples verification ID to enter the room, and then
Mhm.
by having multiple sites, DC1, DC2, DC3, and then yeah, for physical, I think that's all.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. That's fine. I would say that here. So like we have some perimeter security fences, biometrics, CCTV cameras.
Yeah.
Okay, all are the
That's also, yeah.
that's all other part of the same. Okay, that's fine.
Mm.
That's fine. So you have basic knowledge about all those things I'm talking about, like cryptography. Example. Okay, example cryptography like hashing, like encryption. So example, I would say, uh, Daniel, like I'm your customer. Okay, I'm come to your bank. Hey Daniel, I want my banking statement for the past 1 year. So you can say, hey, yeah, we will going to provide your banking statement to your email ID. Okay, your registered email ID which you have provided to bank. Okay, that's fine. I go back to home and then I'm able to see the mail coming from the bank and I'm opening it and suddenly it's a password is going to be uh, password is going to be uh, asking. So what kind of security is all about? It's a public private, like you can say this is a synchronized, symmetric or asymmetric. What kind of things it is all about? You know
Yeah,
concept of encryption?
yeah, encryption.
Okay, so encryption is there, and you can simply say, sir, it's like it's asking the password, my dear. Then you can simply say, sir, it's like a asymmetric encryption, my dear. Asymmetric encryption, you can say it here.
Yeah.
Okay.
But usually cryptography, like encryption is from communication in between application to another application, right? It's also using encrypted.
Yeah, cryptography, and you can say, I would say here like the hashing. Okay, hashed values basically you can say it here. So we have two kinds like symmetric, asymmetric, and we have some PKI. Okay, public key infrastructure.
Yeah.
So PKI basically securing your internal website infrastructure. You can say that here. Okay, this is what it is all you can gonna doing it. Okay, that's fine. That's
Uh,
fine. Yeah, and then like let me know which one is the best secured encryption technology in the right now, like SSJ 256 or 254 or 512 384 MD5, or what kind of, I want to
I
know that what kind of basic encryptions you're using in the company. Framework basically IT governance, okay, IT governance management. You can say information technology governance, what's the company governance, what kind